Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick review where I'm gonna be comparing FuboTV with YouTube TV and both of these with Hulu TV. So which one should you go for? This is what we will be taking a look at in this video. So for better clarity, I have created this table for you. So if we talk about the starting price for FuboTV, it is $74.99 per month. For YouTube TV it is $72.99 per month, and for Hulu plus live TV it is $76.99 per month. Now in this much amount, what you will get is, for Fubo TV you will get 150 plus channels that strongly focus on sports. For YouTube you will get 100 plus channels, and these are mixed channels. And with Hulu TV you will get 90 plus that include Hulu's on demand library. For DVR storage, in Fubo TV you will get 1000 plus hours, but for both of these, for YouTube TV and for Hulu, you will get unlimited, and your DVR storage will be there for 9 months. If we talk about the simultaneous streams, you will get 3 and 3 in Fubo TV and YouTube TV respectively, but for Hulu TV it is only limited to 2. Sports coverage is excellent in Fubo TV, extensive in YouTube TV, and strong but not as comprehensive in Hulu TV. On demand library is moderate in Fubo TV, large in YouTube TV, and extensive in Hulu TV. For local channels it is good, and it actually varies on the location. For YouTube TV the local channels are broad and consistent, and for Hulu TV these are comprehensive. So which one should you actually purchase? It actually depends on your own priority and your own preferences. So before deciding, you can keep that this table in mind. If you want me to get this table, I will put the link of it down in the description as well for your convenience. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.